Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Integration of rational functions can be tricky, but we will solve this specific integral quickly using polynomial division and basic rules. Let's go through it. First, we perform polynomial long division on the numerator. Dividing x squared plus 4x minus 1 by x plus 2 gives us x plus 2 with a remainder of negative 5. Now we rewrite the integral as the sum of x plus 2 and the fraction negative 5 over x plus 2. This setup makes the integration process much easier for us now. Integrate term by term to get 1/2 x squared plus 2x minus 5 natural log of x plus 2. This result matches option C. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check your steps.